Hi, I wanted to talk today about the art kit. So, you should have received an art kit that looks like this. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about what's inside of that art kit. So what's inside of that art kit is some six square sheets of paper, 6 strips of white paper, a Sharpie, a sharpener, and 2 pencils, an eraser, a postcard from the Spencer Art Museum, and a sketchbook. Okay, so now all of these things came in a bag like this. We want you to keep all of your art supplies in the bag so that when you have art class, you are ready to pick it up and use it. Now, some other things you could put in your art kit are things to make art from your school supply list. For example, you can add your crayons, your markers, colored pencils. Also, I'm going to suggest that you put scissors and your glue stick or your glue bottle. You can also put in highlighter, or any other things that you would like. So if you have markers that look like this, if you have oil pastels, if you have watercolors, anything that you can add to your art kit that's going to add color, please add it there. Okay, so the other thing about the art kit that I want to talk to you about is that when you take stuff out, please put it back in again. Okay, thank you so much for listening to my video about your art kit. Can't wait to see you in art class.